Hi cellists, how are you doing? It's Miss Sperato here. Today we are going to go over the cello part to Dragonhunter by Richard Meyer. This is a practice track. Some things to consider. First, I highly suggest practicing a D major scale with a drone in the background before you play this piece. Second, do not rush. I know you want to go fast, and it's super fun to go fast on this, but even Richard Meyer wrote in the score, 112 is the suggested tempo. So that's the tempo we're going to go. I will have a metronome going on in the background. If you're practicing on your own and not with this practice track, which is completely okay, I do suggest practicing with a metronome. If you don't have a metronome at home, go into Google, type online metronome, screen will show up, it's got a little slidey thing, and you can pick the tempo that you want, put it on 112, hit play, instant metronome. So that's what you're gonna do. Other than that, I think you'll be good. Let's get into it. 1, 2, ready, play. Thanks, cellos. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions in Google Classroom. Someone might have the same exact question as you. You all have a nice day. Bye.